Hey guys, welcome to my guide of purchasing the best stocks for 2016. The first stock we're going to be looking at today is Macy's, and I believe this is going to be a very strong year for Macy's this upcoming year in 2016. We'll see what happens, but to back us up on our evidence of why to buy into this stock, we're going to look at its previous history, where we see the company going, and the possibilities of Macy's. So we're going to look at the first 5-day forecast of Macy's right now. Today is January 19th. The stock has been rising a lot recently within the last couple days here. The 5-day average, you can see it's at 37 about a couple days ago, and now it's already at 39.14. So let's look at the chart for a month ago. It's very low during the December months. They didn't have the best projections and sales for Christmas time and the holidays. And after all those sales were going through, and they actually got the statistics on it and actually realized that their sales were a little bit higher than expected, their stock has been rising ever since. And we're going to look at the years, the whole year of 2015, and just look at the stock on where it's at right at last January around this time. January 20th, $63 its value at. It spikes at 72. Now, what we can tell about the stock, and is in the max of the time it's been available on the stock market, let's just look at the 5-year. It's progressively been growing year after year, and last year was not the best year for sales and everything as well. But so I'm going to read off some statistics here today, and just to show the growth in the company since let's start at year 2011. In 2011, Macy's accumulated $26 million in revenue. In 2012, they accumulated $27 million. 2013, 27, and 2014 they broke $28 million in revenues. And as you can see within that pattern, everything was rising, and it's going to continue to rise. Our economy right now, if you really do think about the 5-year average, we've been going through a recession, and that's probably why this occurred right here when the recession hit. Just Macy's stock just plummeted like heavy. And I'm taking a risk on this stock just to be someone who sees through the value of this company. I'm a value investor. I'm not the one for quick profits and flipping. I'm not a day trader. I see the value in Macy's, and it's there. This is one of the things that you want to look at as an investor, is thinking about the value. How many people go to Macy's yearly? How many people return after that? And they've been doing a great job marketing, advertising-wise, commercials. They're all over the place. Macy's is a company that will always be around. They probably won't go bankrupt. They have all the statistics to back them up. Their net income has been rising from, I'm looking at this book right here that has the whole spreadsheet of their earnings per share and everything like that. The earnings per share is the EPS per so if you buy a stock, the earnings per share is how much it increases. And if you look at the earnings per share from 2007, it was $2.18, and now it's from 2014, the previous year that I have the information on, it's risen to $4.40. And the dividends, this company is very good at paying dividends too. And that's another thing that you look for in a strong company to invest in. Everything is there for this company to make a comeback for this 2016 year. A lot of people are skeptical about investing in Macy's because they believe we might be going into another recession. If you look at the economy right now, this upcoming year, it's the stock market hasn't been doing that well this last coming, the first 15, 18 days of January 2016. But if you can foresee the future and look at Macy's in the upcoming few months, you can see their value is going to be a lot higher than $39, at least in my eyes, and at least in any value investor's eyes. I believe this is a good stock to invest in. And there's always risks in taking an investment like this, because You know, anytime the economy is at risk, any return of unemployment, you know, anything that affects people's wages, spending habits, all conclude into Macy's. So if you see the economy picking up, you see more people spending money. It's just the obvious signs, more people buying more items. Macy's this past December had a lot of online sales, which makes it actually a bit better contender because a lot of companies are scared of Amazon, the shipping companies, FedEx, and all that. But Macy's uses all those to their advantage. They sell through them, they make money. That is the bottom line. They're known for making money. The stock, I project in 2016, we'll see what the stock holds. I see big value in this company, and you know, I hope this video helped you guys out and maybe finding a good company to invest in. You guys can do your own research and let me know what you think about this Macy's investment that I've been thinking about and, you know, purchasing, and just the possibilities of the company going up a lot more than what they are. As you can see, it bottomed out at 34 and now it's been rising ever since to 39. So we'll see where the stock takes us. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Enjoy, guys. Peace.